Yo, what is going on, Trident FD? It is Eric back at it again, bringing you guys a new video. And today's video is going to be kind of short, and as you guys can probably tell by the title, this really is not a video I want to be making right now, but someone hit my car. So I honestly did not expect this day to come, but as you can probably say, this happens to everybody. But yeah, so about 2 days ago, my car was just sitting in the parking lot because I live in a apartment complex, and when I come outside to go to the gym, I see that a bunch of kids are playing, and I guess some kid was just running and he slammed himself like football pancaked. He just slammed himself into my car and he destroyed my mirror. He bent my fender in and he bent like my top pillar in as well. I'll either put some pictures up on the screen or just show you guys some clips later on. But yeah, so when he does that, I kind of just stand there like in shock, like what the fuck, and like all I hear is a big ass. So I'm like, fuck, dude, he broke something. The kid gets up fine and he looks around and like he just runs away. And I'm going to go check on my car, and then next thing I know is he's not there. I kind of got a glimpse of him, kind of not. So, but yeah, so I'm gonna go show you guys the damage real quick and let me know what you guys think. So I'll be back. Alright everybody, so we're pulling up to my car. This is Civic, of course, and boom. So this is my passenger mirror. It's completely fucked. All this is broken. It's literally hanging on by just the cable that you use to like control the mirror. Completely fucked. Can't even try and put it back. Yeah, that's completely fucked. My mirror's done. I don't know if you can tell from this angle or not, but yeah, my top pillar's bent in as well. Not only just that, fender completely fucked. It's not bad, but got one more bump on this. And my fender's bent in. You can see the inside of the door frame. So that's shit, but the way he ended up coming was this way and just threw himself, bomb. And this is bad. This is bad. This is bad. This and the pillar, I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do about. The mirror, I already have a solution to. I'm gonna fix it, obviously. It's not crazy hard. Like, I'm not too angry about it because I know I can do this, but it's just certain things that bother me, like this right here. Only thing that really bothers me is just that this takes a lot of money and time, so that's really it. So as you guys saw in the previous clip, that's the damage done to my car. You know, luckily nobody got hurt. That's the important thing. But my car isn't too bad. Just it's obviously like annoying to like any car person when things like that happens, because like it's just like more time and more money that could be put towards mods that has to be put towards fixing it, you know. But it's whatever. Things happen. Whatever. So I called my brother right away, and I was like, yo, like, what should I do? And he was like, well, if you call the cops, you can't really do much. Like, all you can do is really just file a police report, but they're not really going to do much. If you call your insurance is going to pay for it, yes, but your insurance will raise the monthly cost. So I was like, that's stupid. So he was like, my best suggestion is for you to just take care of it on your own. I called my cousin and I called a couple other resources as well to get their advice, and they all told me the same thing. So at this point, I was just like, ah, fuck it. Like, I'm not gonna call the cops, and like, I'm not gonna call insurance, because I'm just gonna go through all that trouble for no reason when I can just fix it myself. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to update you guys so you guys can know what's going on with my build. Mods are coming soon after I get this taken care of, but for now I will be trying to take care of this mirror problem first, and the fender maybe not so much. If you guys have any suggestions on what I should do about the fender and the pillar, please comment it down below. Or if you guys are from the Tampa area and know any good body shops, please let me know. That would be really helpful. And yeah, that's really it for this video. It's pretty short. Just wanted to let you guys know what's going on, and hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry about all this shit going on, and yeah, so see you guys in the next video.
3A4, that's that shit I might adore. 44, I'm keeping 2 in my back door, making these bitches trip while I'm mopping the floor. I will lure any prey to my front door while I stir. I'm mixing up pressure, it's a cure. Drop on my call.